I once saw an older woman write a check to a contractor for $20,000 before the materials even showed up. And of course, he cashed it and disappeared. Today, I'm gonna break down 7 roofing scams that homeowners need to know about. Most homeowners think that roofing scams only happen to people that are naive. Scam number 1 is the disappearing contractor. Don't sign any more than 50% of the deposit before the materials show up or work begins. Scam number 2, the insurance knowledge gap. A lot of roofing companies advertise themselves as insurance claim specialists, but many contractors who say this don't actually know how to help the homeowner. The homeowner ends up stuck between the contractor and the insurance company. The third scam is the cheap roof trap. One of the biggest mistakes you can make as the homeowner is chasing the lowest price. Let's say you get 3 quotes. Most homeowners are going to pick the cheapest one, but here's the problem. Roofers very often underprice their own jobs, but they still have to make money somewhere. So you start seeing things like surprise change orders. Sometimes a homeowner might even get billed for damage that the crew did themselves. Sometimes air conditioners can have Freon lines that hug the roof. Well, what happens when a roofer puts a nail through a Freon line? Your AC goes out. Or maybe a Freon line is outside, maybe a little exposed near the foundation of the home, and the roofing contractor rolls that magnet to pick up the nails and he bumps that Freon line and causes a leak. Or maybe the HVAC exhaust flue is jarred loose and now you have exhaust gases leaking into the attic. Suddenly that roof is not so cheap anymore. Some will do the right thing, pay for it outright. Others will try to split it with you, and there are still others that will say it's not their responsibility at all, and then you get hit with the bill. Scam number 4 is the hidden contract clause. Another place that homeowners get burned is in the contract. You know the saying, the devil's in the details? Some roofing contracts contain vague clauses that allow the price to change later on. So always read the contract carefully before you sign it. Scam number 5, and this one will get you, it's that material substitution. They'll quote premium materials, but then they'll install something that's not quite the same. Look at the materials when they arrive. When the truck drops off those materials, go out there and actually look at the pallet. You can compare the materials that are on site to the materials that were written down in the proposal. If they don't match up, ask the contractor, what happened here? There are many times when you have to do a little quick substitution, but those materials should be equal in value. Number 6, the roofing crews. Here's something most contractors won't say publicly. Many roofing companies don't carry workers' compensation. Their subcontractors often do not follow OSHA rules at all, and most roofing crews are paid through a foreman. Scam number 7 is the big company illusion. Their main office is their house. Some companies try to look much bigger than they are. Some contractors are struggling financially, and that is when corners start getting cut. There are a lot of honest roofing companies out there, but homeowners should know how the industry works before they sign a contract. Ask questions. Don't assume that the cheapest price is the best one. And most important of all, check references. If the contractor can't provide references or acts like your request is a pain, well, they're probably not the right contractor to do business with.
Hey, if you liked the video or if there was something in here that you disagree with, please let me know in the comments below. Look forward to seeing you there.
Like and subscribe.